Hello, here we got a beautiful 2009 Toyota Alphard. It's a November 2009. It's almost 2010, isn't it? This is a 350S Prime selection, and that means it's basically got nicer Alcantara seats on the inside compared to some of the previous years. This one's got a little bit of a lowering kit on it. You can see it's probably about 2 centimeters lower than normal. It just firms the car up and stops it rolling. A lot of people seem to do it. You can see, if we look down the side of the car, it's really clean. It's free from scratches or dents. There are some white lines reflecting, so I'm moving the camera up and down a little bit here. So, reversing camera up here. It's the power back door. And these are the seat covers, which have kept these seats in really nice condition. We'll hop in and have a look at that in a second. We'll also do another shot without the seats down. Yeah, look, it looked beautiful and clean. Just trying to get this from different angles so you can see it in good detail. So underneath these seat covers, I've got some still shots. I won't do it in the video because these are quite hard to take off. But underneath, it's these Alcantara seats, which are the same sort of fabric shape as this. These, this table can come down. You can slide this chair into the center. Let me just, it's a bit hard to do with one hand. You see in the back, it's all nice. Okay, I had to put the camera down there, but you can see that's what it's like if you've got that seat nicely reclined. There's a lot of space. These can virtually go down flat. You take the headrests off and everything will go flat. The sun's just come out. It's a little bit hard to do interior shots when the sun comes out. Hopefully we'll get a cloud. There's the auction sheet, auction grade 4, 83,000 kilometres. That's just over 50,000 miles. We've got the owner's manuals in there. Power back door there. You see, these seat covers are really, really nice. Obviously all round air conditioning. Now I've just lifted this one up a little bit, so you can see that's the original fabric that you get with the Prime selection. So these seat covers are quite a nice match, and these are good quality seat covers. These are, you know, properly fitted, and underneath that fabric it looks quite good from what I can see. $83,776 is what it's showing. You've got the reversing camera there with the various guides. So this is, I think around the end of 2009 they made a few little adjustments. So you've got the side mirrors the buttons up there rather than on the door. You've got cruise control. You've got auto headlights and auto front wipers. We've got the four-wheel drive button there. You can also turn the rear power doors off, obviously lock the windows, and we can open up the back power doors there, also from the key. You can probably see over my shoulder there, it's coming back. See, we've got the back door going up there. So, quite a lot of tread there. If you can see underneath. Headlights nice and clear. We've got the parking sensors all round. Lovely V6 2GR FE engine. So there you have it. That's a beautiful Toyota Alphard 350S Prime Selection 2009. Thanks for watching.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.